So, kumusta ang preparation mo for our Caballero University?
As of now po, it's doing good. Everything is going well as a plan. I body siguro po sa Q&A, it's not yet prepared, but I'm gonna
At least maahasa
yes
naman
po.
yan comes finals ng ating Caballero. Speaking of Caballero Universal, kailan ang lipad mo going to Venezuela?
Actually, around last week of September, mga September 8 ay 28 po.
And
Because
then
it's 2 days
yes, and
travel
the duration of pageant is from October 1 to October
to
11.
11 po. Yes po.
Ayun. So, kumusta ang support ng family, ng mga kaibigan mo, mga kababayan mo sa Tarlac on your journey at Caballero University?
Actually po, my family is very supportive to me. Lalo-lalo na po ang mother ko is very supportive. And also my friends and yung mga tropa ko po and sa pinsan ko, so very supportive at me. And sa lahat po ng nasa Tarlac, even my previous handler, they're very supportive at me.
Para sa Caballero, anong mga pinagkakabalahan mo after Great One Universe pageant?
I've been doing some casting, modeling, endorsement shoot, and workout. At saka minsan po sa bahay lang, nood-nood pag may free time.
Ano mga abangan namin kay Morning sa Venezuela?
Siguro po, ang maabangan nyo dun is like the swimmer and also my pasarela because I believe Miss Shandy will teach me good at pasarela.
Of course, invite our viewers sa journey mo, saan ka namin pwedeng i-follow, your socials. And may ano ba, may mga voting ba sa Caballero? Wala naman.
As of now po, we don't know yet.
Okay.
Pero if meron po, sana supportahan niyo po ako para sa atin po to.
And saan ka namin pwedeng i-follow?
Y-
Instagram, social media, TikTok.
yes po. You can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. In Facebook, Marnie Lampa. In Instagram, Marnie Andri. And sa TikTok po, Marnie Lampa din.
Morning, iuwi mo ba ang corona ng Caballero Universal para sa Pilipinas?
Yes po, iuwi natin yan para sa atin. Ito pong corona na ito is temporary lang dahil mapapalitan to.
Yes.
And
Okay.
in God's
Thank
praise.
you.
We are the great men of the universe. One dream, one voice, no reverse. Side by side we lift the flame. Different souls, one day we are the great men of the universe. Together now we
Okay, so people of the Philippines, this is it, our very first candidate of Great One of the Universe Philippines who are going to compete on October 1 to 11 in Caracas, Venezuela. Okay? So guys, this is for the Philippines. Okay? So sana supportahan po natin si Marnie. Our Great One of the Philippines, Caballero Universal Filipinas 2025.
to the sea. We walk with strength and dignity. Different faces, same inside. One big world, one big tribe.